session and I'm super excited. Today I will be showing you guys how to make Soursop ice cream from this Vitamix and also my review. So stay tuned.
Let's get straight into it.
Oh man, this is going to be awesome. Can you guess what series we bought? Woo! My brand new baby. Oh my god, what should I call her or him? I don't know. Okay. All right. Got that out. Ooh. And we got a simply blending, quick and easy whole food every meal. All right, they're fancy. All right, put that down there. Then we got our tamper tool. There we go. Nice. We're definitely gonna need this to make the ice cream, so. Awesome sauce. And then, woo, the main man. Oh, God. Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? Yes. And the modem. All right, let's put this aside. All right. Oh, no, this is just gorgeous. Oh my God. We are going to see. Plug this bad boy in. So one thing I can already tell that I absolutely love about it is the fact that the extension cord can be expanded. So if I want to put it in, put it right here. Awesome sauce. So now it can actually stretch to fit into here. Awesome. All right. So I'm going to wash this cup and come back with the recipe. All right, we're gonna wipe her down and treat her right. One thing I absolutely love about this Vitamix is the fact that it comes with quick and easy recipes. So that way you already can see, multiple recipes on, what to make, how to make it, and all that fun stuff. So the Vitamix that I got was the A2500 high performance blender from the Accent series. Oh yeah. Such a beautiful blender. All right, so let's just flip through this recipe book, see what they got for us. Of course, I know half the recipes I'm not gonna be able to follow because I'm a Sabian. All right, put this down. So this is very beautiful. I love the layout. Okay. This really want to get me going. Okay, this is a beautiful book. Wow, nut butters and spreads, soups and salads. Oh my God. Okay, this is awesome. This is freaking whole wheat pizza. Oh my God. Okay, all right. I really want to get started right now. This is amazing. Guacamole. Wow. Yogurt. Awesome sauce Vitamix. This is a really good addition to the blender. This is awesome. I'm really gonna check this out. So, and it says to start here. Let's see what this means. So I guess it just, shows you how to put it together, washing it, smoothies, how to load ingredients. So step 1, you have to add your milk. So choose one liquid. Then you're gonna choose a green, choose 2 fruits, plus vegetables. So this is really good. So liquids, dry goods, leafy greens, fruits. So this is awesome too because at least I know how to load my ingredients. All right, and then it's in Spanish, en español. Muy bueno. All right. The ingredients that you're gonna need for this scrumptious ice cream is sliced peaches. Make sure it's frozen. You can get fresh peaches and then freeze them, whichever you prefer. But they're out of season now, so that's why I have to get the frozen ones. Baby bananas. These good boys right here. So one thing I love to do with my bananas is I like to get it overripe so I can get the natural sweetness from it. So make sure your bananas is really ripe. The riper it is, the sweeter it is. So I make sure I froze them for at least 10 hours before I made my ice cream because that is key. Then you also need soursop. With the soursop, what I did was cut it in half. I took all the seeds out and then I put it in a bag and I froze the meat. So we have soursop meat in here to add to the ice cream. Then we're going to need mangoes. This is optional, but I absolutely love the flavor of the mango and peach and the soursop together. It really reminds me of something tropical. This reminds me of Guyana, you know? So this is going to be awesome. You can also use whatever frozen fruits you like. You put strawberries, berries. You make this recipe to your liking. So we have all of that, and then we're gonna need a base. So our base is gonna be coconut water, or hemp seed milk. So what I did was I actually mixed the coconut water and the hemp seeds together. I blended it with my old blender, but it separated, you know, before I got to make the video. So this is actually hemp seed milk, just up to your liking. So, but I like to add baby bananas, strawberries, and I'm also gonna add a fresh mango to our smoothie bowl. You can also add walnuts or even coconut shreds, all right? So I'm gonna use my eco-friendly coconut bowl for the smoothie bowl. It's basically 1/4 a cup of hemp seed milk or whatever milk you like. So you're gonna pour that in. And then you're gonna add your frozen fruits. So I'm going to add my frozen bananas. This is approximately 8 baby bananas. You can also use ripe more bananas as well because the riper it is, the sweeter it is. So I also have that too. You can use that as a great substitute if you can't find baby bananas. So what I'm going to do is add in my 8 baby bananas. Pour that in here. This is going to be so yummy. All right, so now that we have our baby bananas in, we are going to add our sliced peaches. And I'm going to approximately add 1 cup of sliced peach, which equates to 1 fresh peach. So we're also going to add in 1 cup of mangoes as well, which is 1 whole mango. All right, so now that we have all of the goodness in, we're also going to have to add in our soursop pulp. So I'm going to try to break this up a little bit. And we're going to use approximately 1 pound of soursop. And the reason why I say 1 pound of soursop is because soursop comes in many different shapes. So 1 can be a pound or more. So I'm going to add the pulp in here. See like pieces from the soursop itself. Just going to break that up. So 1 pound of soursop going in. And soursop is amazing to me because it has many different minerals such as iron, calcium, and all that good stuff. You can check my soursop video out. All right, so let's get started. So one thing I've learned from watching 1,000,001 videos and also reading the book is that you should start off small. So I'm not going to start off all the way at 10. I'm going to gradually work my way up. So I'm going to probably start at 3 to begin with. So when it starts getting stuck, we're going to start to press down the frozen fruits. And then I'm going to start increasing the pace. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to add the rest of my coconut water and hemp milk just to help it out a little bit because I don't want it to hurt the motor. So I'm going to add some more and then we're going to get back to this goodness. One thing I'm going to add is 1/2 cup of agave. You can use date syrup instead. So I'm going to pour that in and I'm going to finish tempering the ice cream is finito. Oh my god, look at how creamy this is, guys. Oh, it looks like butter. Oh my god. All right. Oh my And there you have it, kings and queens, our Soursop nice cream bowls topped with my favorite toppings. We added some hemp seeds and coconut shreds. Oh my god. You guys have got to try this recipe. Thank you so much for stopping by Anella's Kitchen. Let us know if you enjoyed the unboxing and what you would like us to show next. So stay tuned. Peace.